Welcome to The Explainer. Today, we're going to break down a really powerful system for making sales online. But here's the key, without being pushy at all. Let's just dive right in.
Okay, so let's kick things off with a problem I'm pretty sure we've all faced, right? You find a product you genuinely love and you want to share it, but how do you do that without sounding like a sleazy salesperson? It just feels spammy, and a lot of the time, it just doesn't work. Well, the strategy we're unpacking today, it's all about fixing that.
All right, here's the game plan for today. It's pretty simple. First, we got to find the right product to promote. Then, we'll figure out the perfect place to talk about it, the platform. After that, we'll bring in our secret weapon, an AI assistant. And finally, we'll tie it all together with a super clear 7-day plan. Let's do it.
Okay, step 1. First things first, right? You can't sell air. We need something to promote. And look, this isn't just about picking any old product. This is literally the foundation for the entire strategy.
So the model we're talking about here is called affiliate marketing. You've probably heard of it. The idea is super simple. You promote a company's product, and when someone buys it using your special link, you get a cut of the sale. That's it. The company gets a sale, you get paid, it's a total win-win.
So how does it actually work? Well, it's basically 4 steps. You pick a product, you get your unique affiliate link, say from a program like Amazon Associates, you drive people to that link, and then, boom, you earn a commission on any sales. Sounds easy, right? But here's the thing. The magic isn't in the link itself. It's all about how you get people to click it.
Okay, and this is super important, so listen up. The biggest mistake people make is trying to sell everything under the sun. Don't do that. Pick one niche. So, for example, let's say you pick skincare. Focus on just that. Maybe even just one popular, affordable product like the one here. When you do that, you're not just a random person selling stuff. You become the go-to person for that thing. And that focus, that's how you build trust.
All right, so we've got our product picked out. Awesome. Now, where are we actually going to promote it? Let's talk about our digital stage.
We're going to be focusing on Threads, and there are some really good reasons why. For starters, it's still kind of new, you know? It's not as insanely crowded as other platforms. That means it's way easier to grow a following and actually get noticed. Plus, it's tied directly to your Instagram account, so getting set up is an absolute breeze. And just look at the potential here. This isn't a joke. We're talking about an account with only about 3,400 followers pulling in over 368,000 views in less than 24 hours. That is some serious viral potential, right? And you want to know the best part? The content that's getting all these views, it's not some crazy high production value stuff. A lot of the time, it's just a simple video with a single sentence. That's it. So the barrier to entry, getting started, it's super, super low.
So setting up your profile is really straightforward. You just sign up using your Instagram. Then you write a simple, clear bio that tells people what you're all about. So for our example, it's all about skincare. And then, the most important part, you drop your affiliate link right there in your bio. That's your digital storefront.
Okay, but this is where most people get stuck. It's the big challenge, right? What in the world do you post every single day to actually get sales? And how do you do it without just annoying your followers and sounding like a broken record?
Well, this is where it gets really cool. This is the secret sauce. Let's talk about the engine that's going to power this whole content machine, your very own AI assistant.
The tool we're going to use is called Deepseek AI. Now, yeah, it's a free AI chat tool, but here's what makes it special. It's not just for writing captions. It can actually think and create a whole strategic content plan for you, all from one simple request.
And look at how simple the prompt is. You literally just tell it, hey, give me content for the next 7 days. I want to post 3 times a day. And please, make it sound natural, not like I'm trying to sell something. You're basically giving it a mission to create content that people will actually want to read.
And what do you get back? This. A full 7-day content plan all laid out for you. It's got ideas for the morning, the afternoon, and the evening. We're talking skincare tips, questions, behind-the-scenes stuff. It's a real plan designed to build a connection with your followers.
Now this right here is the key insight. The AI gets it. It understands that you can't just jump in on day 1 and scream, "Buy my stuff." It creates a plan that builds trust and gives people value first. And only then, after you've earned their attention, does it subtly suggest they check out the link in your bio.
Okay, so let's bring this all home. Let's look at the payoff and see how this all turns into a simple, daily game plan that you can actually follow.
So here's what you do every day. It's almost laughably simple. 1. You open up that content plan the AI made for you.
2. You copy the post for that time of day. 3. You paste it into a new thread. And 4. You just post it. You do this 3 times a day, morning, afternoon, and evening. Every once in a while, you throw in a little, "Hey, my faves are in my bio," just like the AI suggests. That's the whole workflow.
And you know why this works so well? It's not just that the content is good. The real key is consistency. Social media platforms, all of them, they love it when you post regularly. Their algorithms are built to reward that. And with this system, being consistent becomes totally effortless.
So, it kind of makes you think, doesn't it? When you have an AI that can literally act as your content strategist, your copywriter, and your marketing planner, are we looking at a future where AI is basically the perfect business partner? It's definitely something to